Its Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine produces 43,000 pounds of combined thrust. Inbound from the right, Major Horn in the F-35B's minimum radius turn. Straight to the vertical to perform the high alpha loop. Tackle pitch.